This is eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is incredible. It has so many health benefits and it's so easy to make. So eucalyptus oil is great for the skin. It will help with all skin issues, you know, like acne, eczema, psoriasis. It's very anti-inflammatory, so it's amazing for that. Then it's great for hair health. It stimulates growth. So if you suffer from hair loss, just massage this oil into your hair and it will really help with that. So that's amazing. What else? It's really good for relieving congestion. So it's great for helping with respiratory problems. And you know, also if you have the flu, you know, for coughs and colds, usually what's nice to do when you have this kind of problem is you put a few drops of oil in some boiling water in a bowl, and then you put a cloth over your head, and then you go over the bowl and then you breathe that all in, and it smells so good. It's really nice and therapeutic, so it's also really relaxing too. So to make the oil, as I said, really easy. What I did was that I collected a few leaves of eucalyptus. Now I have the Eucalyptus globulus species of eucalyptus. It's really nice, smells really good, and it's really good for making oil with. So I dried those leaves for a few days. When they're nice and crackly, it means that they're ready. So you just chop them up into a sterilized glass jar. Then you pour olive oil to the top of the glass jar. Now you don't need to use olive oil, but that's what I prefer. You can use coconut oil, grapeseed oil, whatever works for you. I love olive oil, and in the Mediterranean there's a lot of olive oil going around, so that's what I use. And to make sure that the volatile eucalyptus oils contained in the leaves are released into the olive oil, I crushed the leaves once they had been placed in the oil. Now to make sure that the leaves are properly submerged into the oil, I place a weight to weight them down, and then I know that they're submerged. And then you leave that sit for a good month in a dark, cool place. That's important. Why dark? Because you don't want the sunlight to hit your oil while it's macerating, because the sun rays will destroy the bioactive ingredients. We don't want that. We want to keep them. So it's been more than a month. Unfortunately, I did forget about this oil in my cupboard, but that's okay, no problem. It smells delicious. It's not gone rancid or anything, so it's still good to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to strain it. So here you see I've got my oil, still got the weight here. Looks amazing and smells really good. So now I'm going to strain it with a cheesecloth. That's the best way because I find that I can really squeeze it all out. Gonna get rid of the weight. There we go. And then I'm gonna pour the oil in. And then it's ready for use. Then I can use it in all the ways that I told you at the beginning of the video. And that's amazing. You see, it's so easy and so amazing. Incredible.